Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on adding a button to your WordPress website. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress dashboard, sign in, and then use the site editor to add and customize a button on your site. We will begin by visiting the WordPress website, where you will see the main homepage with an array of options available for managing your content. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you will find the login option. Click the login button to start the process. Taking this initial step is important as it allows you to securely access your dashboard and manage your site content with full control. After clicking the login button, you will be offered several ways to sign in. For this tutorial, select the option that says Continue with Google. This streamlined method takes advantage of your existing Google credentials, making the login process both safe and convenient. When you choose Continue with Google, you will be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for authentication. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be presented with the main dashboard of your site. Within the dashboard, locate the Quick Links section. In this section, there is an option labeled Edit Site. This option serves as your entry point into the site editor, where you can make various layout and design changes. Click on Edit Site to launch the website editor interface. Knowing where to find this control is essential since the editor gives you access to a variety of elements that you can add, rearrange, or remove as needed. Now that the site editor is open, direct your focus to the upper left corner where you will see a plus icon. This plus icon is the key to adding new elements to your current page layout. By clicking on the plus icon, you access a comprehensive list of available design elements that can enhance your site's appearance and functionality. The next step is to add a new element that fits your website's needs. Within the panel that appears after clicking the plus icon, type in the word buttons. This action will immediately narrow down the options to display the button element, making your search quick and efficient. Once the button element appears in the list, click on it to add the new button to your site. The addition of this element is reflected visually in the site editor, ready for further modification. With the button element now placed on your page, it is time to customize it. Begin by adding clear, descriptive text that communicates the action you want your visitors to take. Whether the button will say Learn More, Get Started, or Contact Us, ensure that your text effectively conveys your intended call to action. Customizing the text is crucial because it directly impacts user interaction and engagement. The final step involves linking your button to a destination that provides additional information or directs users to another part of your website. To accomplish this, click the link icon that appears on the button. This icon will allow you to insert a URL so that when visitors click the button, they are taken to the appropriate page. Ensure that the link you set up is accurate and leads to content that enhances the overall user experience. Following these steps gives you a clear path from logging into WordPress to successfully adding and customizing a button on your website. By taking advantage of the streamlined process available through the WordPress site editor, you now have a functional call to action on your site that is both attractive and user-friendly. Enjoy enhancing your website with this interactive feature and feel confident in managing your site's layout and functionality.